so long. I forgot how it goes. Hey, how's it going? I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. What's up, G Corp? It's Sunday swim. We're gonna go over charts with friends. And we don't know when it's gonna end. And we're gonna have fun today because that's what we do. We like to play the markets. We like to trade all day. All right. Oh, what's going on? This is David. Let me see if I can get this thing to stay up. There we go, right there. Hey. I'm really loud to myself. I need to turn myself down in my headphones so that I don't freak myself out. All right. What's going on, everybody? Or G Corp. Make sure everything is good to go. Let's go over to Discord and let's let people know that we're doing swim and we're doing it live. We're doing it live. Boop, but doop. I can't move this. There we go. Move that out of the way. All right. As you can see, I've got some new stuff. Oh, why do I have two green lines on here? Which one of these is my entry? One of these is my entry. Hold on. Doop. 6235. Why is this 6240 on here? Don't know why. But there we go. That was my entry. Do I take the profit? I'm up 34%. Or is it going to keep going? All right. I got to get people in here. We got to get people in here. Oh, snap. What's up, Alex? Alexa Crypto in the house. Whoa, I sound a little bit too much. Little too much. There we go. Alexo Crypto in the house. Happy Sunday, G Corp. We're doing it live. Come on over to the Discord. Link in the description. What's hood, my friend? Oh, you know, Memphis. What am I doing? Oh yeah, swim. Come on over. Come join the Discord. Come on over to swim. Join swim. There we go. Join swim. At verified. We all live. Come on in. Come jump in and share your charts. I saw a Chismo going out for breakfast shortly. Oh, well, I hope you have a lovely time then, mate. Hope you have a lovely time. Are you going to have you some crumpets? Some tea and crumpets? Tea and crumpets. I like the Heikennashi. I think I have figured out a new trading strategy. We're going to go over that today. I've got this fake market cipher. Bangers and mash. Bangers and mash. I don't know what you're talking about, but that's okay. That's okay. Everybody's like, what are all these colors? There's a heat map. Volume heat map. Helps me see the volumes. As you can see, there's a lot of volumes down here. Something trigger waves. Sausage. Sausage and mashed potatoes. Right then. Is this a trigger wave? Or is this a trigger wave? I think this might be a trigger wave. I've noticed that this happens a lot. On the 15-minute, we get that bang, bang, and then we get a bang to the upside. It's absolutely brilliant. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, if I go over here to the Bitcoin, I notice this. We get a ton of these. It's pretty cool. Like this momentum waves pushing up here. We got that VWAP and it flips that zero line with quickness. That's our ankle with our trigger wave, and then we get that nice push to the upside, taking out the highs up over here. Then what we have here, we have a nice bearish divergence. I said that more like a 3-year-old. Divergence. And then we get that pull down, right? Where we get to pull down to where this move happened, where it began. It's so easy peasy lemon squeezy. I got rid of so much of the trash that just gets in the way on this fake market cipher. I hear someone in, oh, it's Scar Crypto Face. Oh, he jumped out. He got scared. We scared him. It's all right. It's all right. We just gotta make him feel like it's his home. What's up, everybody? We got some new colors on the chart. Why you say sorry, Scar Crypto Face? That's the whole point. It's for people to come in to swim and to join and to talk. But if you don't want to be live on the YouTubes, that is fine. You don't want me there. Why? Shall we show the people your charts? Shall we show the people your madness that absolutely is ballin'? Look at this dude. This dude was like, hey, look at, there's this diamond right here on this coin here. And I've got this target up here. And then, like, he comes back later. And he's like, yeah, mate, it hit target. I think it's this one right here. It's got really close on this one. Look at that. Oh, man, it's just absolutely beautiful. And it hit target. And he shorts it. Yeah. 143%. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. No, they too secret. Too secret. Okay, well, I won't go deep into them. That's all I'll do. I'll just say that Scar Crypto Face is onto something. He's onto something, everybody. He's a madman. He's a madman. Oh, man. All right, let's go to the charts. All right. Try to get out of this, like, accent that I'm doing right now. Try to. Oh, yeah. Maybe I should just go back doing some country. Because that's where I'm from and I know how to speak some country real good, like, okay? All right. I'm from the deep south. Maybe not that deep, but, you know, pretty deep. Can I mix a southern accent with a British one? Oh boy, yeah. All right, all right, all right, all right. All right, what are we trying to see here? All right, let's go ahead and take this off. Oh, no, I wanted to take that off and put this back on. And let's go do some regular candles. And now it's time for some ASMR. Mrs. Otter is gonna kill you. I do it just for her, love. I do it just for you. She's probably like, that is god awful. What even is that? All right, all right, all right, all right. Big volume on these candles here. It looks like we've got some trapped traders trapped down in here. Now you're like, David, what is all this madness on your screen? It's another heat map. We've got these heat maps for days. That's all the volume, and that one candle is right there. We're currently inside that candle. God, I really got to stop. I can't. I scalped along that drop. Alex says he scalp longed that drop out with 150 bucks. Woo wee, baby. Let's go. All right. So what are we gonna do? Let's get rid of the heat map real quick. Let's get rid of that. Let's take a look. See here. This is my entry on my long here. It's not going so well. But actually, that should be lower because I added to it because we dropped, and I still think we're going to the upside. So, 3505. 3505. 50.1. All right, there's my. Oh yeah, man, it moved so much. Let's go ahead and take a look at the stop loss or the liquidation. This is my liquidation. 34524.1. Didn't move at all. I just started longing only. LOL. Wait. I just started longing coins. LOL. So don't cry. I buy them from you. If we pump, I might cry. Oh, we're gonna pump. So, are you gonna cry out of joy? Because we're gonna pump. So, cry out of joy. I hope it's cry out of joy. I heard someone in Discord. Who's that? We've got TRD Farmer. He muted himself. Nah, because I exited. I thought you were short. Oh, you're good, man. It's good to hear you. Good to see you. I just bailed from my short. Yep. This thing looks like it's trying to move to the upside. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trader's reality. Yeah, this is a nice big vector candle here that's going to want to be recovered. We got a red vector candle up here. These are high volume candles. This is where Mr. Market Maker likes to show himself. This is where he shows himself. So we pinned traders up here. We got them nice and trapped like up here. And then, yeah, I believe we will push up to that psychological high and come up there. Now, what we do from there is the real question. Do we just blast through? Do we hang out here for a second and then get moving? Or do we come up to it and get rejected? Either way, I think we do come up here and take out this range right here, this consolidation range that we've got right here. We come up, take that out, because I know that there's some shorts that have been placed and built right here, or there's at least some longs, because we can see we've got these green vectors here. We got some red vectors right here too, so there's definitely some volume up in this area right here that's gonna want to be visited. So we've got this one right here that started this move up, and we've come down to reclaim that over there. So now we look for a repricing to the upside so that we can get on moving. 40K might be the story of the week. 40K. But we need to zoom out and we need to take a look at the higher time frames. Let's go ahead and get rid of the brush there. Now we are on the daily. The daily has got massive, massive vector candles on it. Will these want to be visited at some point? I'm not sure. We're going to watch our fake market cipher, and it's going to curl up to the upside, hopefully, like we want. And then it may or may not, once we get up here to that 40 line. What is this? Thursday. Maybe when we get up to that 40 line, maybe we do the Thanksgiving dump, wherever we tell all of our friends and family that they need to buy crypto. And I say us. When I say we, I don't mean us, because we're better than that. We know better than that. We will tell them that if they buy, they need to proceed with caution, and they need to understand that it does not come without a risk of loss, because it does. So yeah, we get that curl up here, but then we get that bearish divergence, and then we come down and reclaim these vectors down here. It would be a wild ride from 40 to 30 something K. Let's go ahead and go to 40K, and maybe that would be like our first big major correction, which we typically see 20 to 30% corrections in a bull run. If you believe this is a bull run, then that would make perfect sense. Come down here from 40K all the way down to even 28K is a 30% pullback. So could definitely see that. But then again, we do have our top here. We do have this resistance that would be tested for support. So that's what I would be looking at. I'd be looking at that. 40K down to 30.6, 30.5, probably somewhere in there. And then we can continue our march forward as we come up here, get a correction down, maybe even play around in here for a little while, and then get cranking again. Now that's the going all the way into next year, and I'm not sure if it's going to take that long or not. We'll just have to wait and see. We might get our Santa rally, which it looks like we've already started one. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the chat, see what you guys are saying. Oh, Def looking like it's going up, meow. I found the stream, TRD Farmer. You found the stream. Thank you for joining, mate. Good man, Farmer. Yes, he's good man. Good morning, friends. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Farmer. Trying to make the most of my extra hour day today. Oh, yes, yes, we got an extra hour. I was up at 2 o'clock last night, right? It was about to turn 2, and I was like, oh, man, I need to go to bed. And then it, like, dropped to 1, and I was like, I've got an extra hour to stay up and chart. Yes, 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 yes. 66 days to F. What? 66 days to F. Wild. 28K pullback. Oh, yeah, that would be wild, wouldn't it? That would be very, very wild. But it's not like it wouldn't be out of the norm, seeing as how we did break. Well, 28K might be a little low. Might be a little low. But right there at the very bottom of this fair value gap, we can see this fair value gap on the daily. Let's go ahead and get rid of the oscillators. Let's get rid of the noise, and let's just let's go ahead and go to a clean chart. So Coinbase. All right, so what we've got here is failure to communicate. ETO. Sorry, mate. ETF. ETF. Okay. My bad. The T and F together on my screen is like scrunched really small, so it looks like EFF. We do have some forward movement on here. All right, let's take a look. Can we get my magnet? Draw out our fair value gap. So that's the daily. So what I would want to see is I would want to make sure that we come down to the 4 hour. Because again, let me go ahead and write it down. We go weekly to daily. We go from daily to 4 hour. We go from 4 hour to 15 minute. We go from 15 minute to 1 minute. And then if you're just doing some other day trades, we can do 1 hour down to the 5 minute. So what does that mean when I say that? That means that this is going to be where you look for your targets, your liquidity, your high time frame liquidity, and this is going to be where you look for your entries. And not just that, when we draw out our fair value gaps, what we want to look for when we drop down is this is our daily fair value gap. Okay, so on the 4 hour, we would, if we do come down and visit this fair value gap, we do not want, if we want price to continue higher, we do not want a candle body close below the midpoint of that fair value gap, below this point right here. We get a 4 hour candle body close below that mid gap. Let's lights out. Maybe we get a retrace, but then we'll come back down, because that'll tell me that that area is, or price is searching for lower prices. It's searching for lower sell side liquidity. That's what it's searching for. So that's what it will do. So daily fair value gap. Now we can come up to 4 hour fair value gap, and we can, what was the 4 hour one? That would be the 15 minute. So we come to the 15 minute. We don't want a 15 minute fair value gap to close below here. 32K, 32.1. Why did I draw that out? I don't know, but it bounced right off of it. Weird. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, so we don't want a 15 minute candle to close below that. If we are bullish, how many stop losses, long stops, sell stops technically, but how many stop losses are down here? How many stop losses are up here? 'Tis the question. So we did have, for pattern traders, we did have this move up, this move across, get rid of that. Oh, and Alex, I will stop doing the terrible English British accents when you stop doing the terrible, awful country accent that you think is country. All right? Cool. You've watched too many westerns. It's not how we talk down here, love, okay? All right. Failure to break out of this pattern. Failure to break down. That is something bullish. Let's get our oscillators back here. Back here. Let's back it back up. 4 hour. If we connect our bodies, we're doing something a little bit different, aren't we? If we connect our candle bodies, we're doing something a little bit different. Could this come down here? I think so, because we do have a bunch. Oh, we do have some equal lows, man. We got some equal lows down here. I could see a little taparoo down into this. Let me make this bigger. So we've got some equal lows down here. Would not be surprised to see those taken out before we make any move to the upside. Equal lows right there. Order block. And a little order block there. Come across. I'll be watching that. 33.886 is what I would be watching. 33.886. Let me make sure we're doing this right. Let's make sure we've got that. Actually, no, that's good. That's good. Yeah, 33.886. That's what I want to see. Or that's what I don't really know if that's what I want to see. I just think it's possible that we do see it. Because we do have these equal lows. Equal lows just means that there's stop losses down here that will want to be hunted and taken out. So, now, for a little strategy here, let's go ahead and remove this stuff right here. Let's go down to the, I want to say it worked really well on the 15. I think it was the 15. Maybe it was the 5. But this I think it was 15. From Hikanashi. That helps out too. This market cipher right here, real, fake market cipher. It's really good. It likes to call bottoms before they even come in. You got this bottom here. And then what I look for is a trigger wave, which is basically we get a green dot below the green line and we get a nice little quick move up on the VWAP, a nice little bang like that. Yeah, money flow's coming out, so we could expect this to be a manipulative move. Money flow comes out, we tap the top, we get out. We're still red. If you know what you're doing, and you can see that this is, we take out this consolidation range, right? We take that out, and then we come down and we take out the other side. And then we rip it all up. This is a manipulative, this is manipulation. This is when you know manipulation has entered the market, especially when we get this high spike in volume right here. So manipulation has entered the market. We spike up, take out sell stops, spike down, take out buy stops, and then spike back up and take out the sell stops once again, wrecking everybody. And then we take out long stops and then wreck them all again. Okay, so that's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. So we got to be in before those moves occur, right? Right. God, right? 30-minute. Now, I was looking at this last night, and it was like bang, 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 bang. I was like, dang, I'm going to start trading the anchor and trigger waves all the time because it was just like all over the place. Was I on the 1 minute? Because if it's on the 1 minute, then that's just insanity. Insanity. Don't forget to join the Discord. You can come on up in here. You can join Swim. Yeah, you can join Swim, and we can talk charts. Talk charts. That's what this is all about. Swim is for David and friends. I was gonna say David. That was my name given to me at birth, but I changed it when I washed on land from sea. You don't know me. Anyway, what are we looking at right now? All right, so all right, I'm trying to look. Give me a sec. Anchor. Not much of a trigger. But we do have that money flow in the green, so money flow is looking good on this move up. I'm wondering if this is a false move here. Let's move to the upside. Watching this. Be watching that 35K. But just like on the other side, we do have some consolidation here. Take out sell stops, took out this sell consolidation right here. So you come across, and now we're hanging out below that. So come down, got new consolidation here. Now what I would prefer to see is something that looks kind of like this, kind of a rounded bottom or a quick move down. Chill out for a second and then come right back up, because what that tells me is that we've got traders trapped down here, and we might have already come back and revisit them. So we might have trapped some traders here. We do have an increase in volume right here, so, and I would expect that that is from this drop. So people start selling, and then once people start selling, big money comes in and buys, and then they start marking the price up that you just sold from so that they can return a profit. Currently, let's see. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I am currently on an 8 trade win streak. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's a win. 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 That's a loss. That's a loss. That's a win. That's a win. It's a loss. Loss. Win. Loss. 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 Win. We all lose. We all lose. We all lose. But currently, 8 trade win streak. Not bad. And I did that all yesterday. Yeah. Last night was fun. I was just kind of just grinding away. Kind of just grinding. Trying to pick up little bits and pieces of change all across the road. Little bit here, $1 here, $2 there, it's the weekend, so you got to do what you got to do. You don't want to risk a whole bunch of money to try and make a little bit of money, so I just risk a little bit of money with high leverage and try to double it, throw a couple bucks in, try to double that up. All right, cool. Now I can afford my weekend beverages. Because that's what we do here at Lunar Beaches Crypto. We make just enough money from trading to be able to do extra cool things with our lives. We do not have this as our primary income at the moment, because we have a day job that keeps us from trading all day and building up a portfolio that can allow us to quit our jobs anytime soon. So, it is what it is. It'll be okay. Let's go ahead and I'll get there one day. Let's take a look at this. We're on the 1 minute. Let's get rid of that. 15. Let's go to the 1 hour. 1 hour. Let's take a visible range volume profile of this range right here. We are on top. Sharply turn over right now. Within the next hour. Whoa, what just happened? Why are we doing that? Uh-oh. I got disconnected at some point. I don't know when. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Something happened. I think I lost internet for a second. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Where are we? All right. Yep, I would like to see this thing trigger because we do have our anchor. And then bam, let's get that thing moving. Let's flip that momentum to the upside. Let's go. Let's go. I'm ready to go. You haven't lost me? Oh, okay. Well, it said, my chat disconnected. So, for some reason, but it said it connected back. So, I don't know. And my screen glitched for a second. So, it's all right. It's what happens when you do stuff live. All right, let's go back over here so we can take a look at the trade that I am currently underwater in, which is fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine because I think we're still going to come up. Oh, man. Let's see. What do we got here? I want to take a look at this volume. Didn't even come up to it on this move up right here. So that's kind of a divergence in volume. So it was a slight divergence in volume, a slight bearish divergence. We can see how price or volume kind of ticked down a bit from this move up here to this move up here. So because of that, we have a little bit of a bearish volume divergence. And with that, we also had a red dot right there. So bearish volume divergence, red dot, momentum peaking. Good night. Say goodbye. Boom. We come back down into the range. And now we are battling up, trying to stay on top of the range. If I go ahead and place this here, you can see it a little cleaner. I'm going to have to go back to the other chart. Let's see. Yeah. So this is a balanced, pretty much a balanced price range. Not much in here. The only thing is those equal lows. Those equal lows. I have seen equal lows and equal highs get left behind before, but it's not often. But we'll just have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. But right now, we've broken out of that range. We've come back into it to really test it again, broken back out of that range. And now we're just trying to find something up here to support us, to support a move to the upside. Then hopefully we get some kind of, some kind of divergence in here. Probably probably get another momentum wave down in here. That would be nice. Get another momentum wave. We got that. I don't know. No. So we've got this one here. We want this one to come up. We want this one to come down. Don't catch me lying. Fairly new. I mean, I know Market Cipher. I just don't know the tips and tricks. But I do know anchor waves and trigger waves. I know that much, and I know they work. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at this one right here. So we have multiple hits down below. We got green dot, but we're still, money flow still in the red, so we're not getting in yet. Then we have this little momentum push here, right? Then we turn green, and then we have a VWAP and that flip. Now right there, that is a nice anchor trigger kapow. Happens all the time. Anchor trigger kapow. This one's an opposite. Anchor trigger kapow. Down to the downside. Anchor waves and trigger waves. They're my friends. Oh, yes, they are. Trying to see what like time frame is the best for these. That was a quick, sharp move up there. See, that's not really showing us a nice little trigger, but we do have a divergence, it looks like. So we have a divergence here. We got a little bit flat. Well, this goes all the way over here. Let me take this off. A little flat on our price, but a nice little push, a nice little divergence here. Then we get a sharp move on the VWAP to the upside. So maybe you jump in, ride that baby up. Got high volume, high volume, high volume. And then momentum wave comes above our overbought. And that's where we get out. Good morning, Steve.H. Good morning, gents. I'm only showing 2 likes on this video from my end, and one of them is mine. Speaking of that, Steve H., if you are watching, please hit that like button. It's the best way to support the channel, and it boosts me, and the YouTube algorithm helps me get seen. So be a friend of the show and hit that like button. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. We do this Sunday swim every single Sunday, and I try to bring people in. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But I try to bring people into the Discord here, into Swim, drag them on in here. Other traders come in here, share their charts. We talk charts, just have some fun, and yeah, try to bounce ideas off each other and try to go and see where we're gonna go for the week ahead. That's kind of the goal of the show, is to just kind of, share some insights, share different types of charts. Almost everybody's charts look different. So, yeah, this is more of a for traders, by traders. You know what I mean? Like, if you're new to trading, perhaps you could learn something from this. But the thing is that you're going to get a lot of different types of styles of trading. So I'm trying to do a little more. I'm trying to get a little bit of sprinkle some Alex in here, because what he does seems to work pretty well for him. So Dave Digital in the house. Candle fireworks candle. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Exclusive with David. Do y'all think Alex is the only one that can do an Arnold Schwarzenegger impersonation? He can probably do it better than me. Get down! Get in the chopper! Aye! It's not a tumor! It's not a tumor. Get down. Oh, God, the cold weather's making me all like snotty and stuff. Yeah. Let's see here. And, my wife and child being sick. So they've got the crud. Child is getting over it. Wife has got it. But yeah, we're all good. We're all good. Hope everybody's all happy, safe, and healthy, and all that good jazz. Solid Schwartz. Thank you. Get down! Stop whining! I love it. Anything else? Anybody got one? I'll tell you what, I've got stuck in my head. It's Elmo. La 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 Elmo world. La 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 Elmo world. You can tell I'm a father because that's all I hear all the time. Puppy dog. Let's not. Let's not. Let's not. I'm going to drive myself insane. We've got some movement in the charts. We are pumping. Let's go. Yes, yes, yes. Sunday pump. And it's going to dump. Sunday pump. Sunday pump. Sunday pump. Sunday pump. Let's go. Been constant bluey for months. Ooh, I don't think we've gotten into bluey. Let's go. Pump that. Pump my bags. Pump my bags. No Elmo. I could do Elmo if I want to, sir. Do we have an anchor trigger wave right now? Anchor trigger. I said I wanted to see that VWAP get going here right now. Flip it. Flip that zero. We're on the 1 hour. Let's go down to the 15 minutes as we're curling up to the upside. We've got the VWAP. We've got it going, and it's flipped to the above the zero line. We've got the momentum wave. It has flipped to the upside. We've got price flying through the roof right now. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and let's dive right on in. Let's get down to the 1 minute chart. Oh, no. Oh, no. We're losing it. We're losing it. We're going to lose it. We're going to lose everything. We're going to lose our house, our wives, our sisters, our brothers, our mothers. We're going to lose our jobs or everything if this doesn't turn around real soon. It needs to turn around. Let's go. We're getting bought up. We're getting brought up. That's a brought. Why do they say brought? I don't understand why they say brought when they mean bought. There's no R in bought. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we're pulling down. What are we gonna do? Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna have a brain aneurysm. Let's go. All right. From where we lifted off at, we've got Tiger Woods on the green. We're going for the putt. We've gone from angry, mad. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what I want to see. Keep that thing moving up, baby. Let's go. Where's all the downside liquidity? Where is it? Where'd it go? Oh. Let's go! Oh, we've taken out the top side like I said we would. Oh, man. It's going. Let's come up. Let's get this liquidity up here. Come on. Right here. Pump. I need to check my trades, bro. Give me a sec. Oh, yeah. 25% on the Bitcoin. 46% on the XRP. Come on. Don't fail. Do not fail. Keep going. Let's go. Trying to think, what can I add? I can do some I don't really care for that heat map. Profit taking time. Don't hold dreams. I want to hold a dream though. It's not up there. It's not up here. It's got to at least hit targets. I mean, it hit the buy side liquidity up here above this consolidation range. What's our volume looking like? This is happening on low volume. Interesting. Let's turn on our trader's reality. Let's see. We've got Mr. Market Maker coming in here showing himself. We've come up to a red vector. Can we take the psychological high? And it's going to take it all back. We've got this big pool of liquidity down here. Alrighty then. 9 wins in a row. Nine streak. Close the XRP trade. Is that what you're telling me? The XRP trade's only a 10x. I think I'm gonna hold that one because my stop loss is all the way down here. Like it's below the liquidity. So that's a long swing trade. So I will probably be holding that one for a little while. I say stop loss. That's my liquidation, aka stop loss. No. There's not really much to the upside for XRP now, is there? I guess there is. Yes, there is. Yeah, I'm gonna hold that one. But I did close my Bitcoin trade. I did close that one because that was a 50x. We hit target, made profit. Gang, gang, let's go. And now it's turned over. Cool. Momentum topping out a little bit on the 5 minute at least. 15 minute. Yeah, could see a little sharp move down like we did here. If we saw a sharp move down like that, this is what happened before when that happened. Okay. So let's keep an eye on that. Watch our high volume candles. Our liquidity zones. 34.6. I'd be looking at 34.6 for possible long entry. But I still have these pesky equal lows. Pesky equal lows. Actually, there might not even be equal lows on this chart. They're not. They're relatively equal lows, but they're not equal lows like they are on the Coinbase chart. That's interesting. It's very interesting. I might have got out of this trade early, but that's okay. I paid myself, and we're happy whenever we pay ourselves. Happy. But it doesn't have to be your targets. Wait, kind of looks like it will SFP. I know what that means, but I'm like drawing a blank. SFP? SFP. Kind of looks like it will SFP. What does that mean, Brewberry? Thank you for joining, everybody. Whoever's in here, still in here. Thank you for joining. I love you all. Thank you for your support. Swing failure pattern. Thank you. Gosh, I was like, I know what that is. Kind of looks like it will. Yeah, swing failure. So that's what he means. It's gonna fail. Probably shift back down. Yeah, because I mean, this is we probably have some manufactured liquidity up in here. You know, it's just kind of moving price up. There's not a lot of volume in there down here. You know, that's moving that price up. That's kind of a divergence right there. Bearish volume divergence in there. Sorry, I don't mean to get a little autist on here, but yeah, got a little bit of a bearish volume divergence. And if we go ahead and I think we might have a bear flag. Let me get off of this. If we are trading our patterns. Oh, what did I just do? I did not mean to do that. Okay. Going a little too fast. Slow down, David. Slow down. I can't. Bear flagging. Let's go ahead and grab our parallel channel. Parallelogram. Let's grab our parallelogram channel. If I know where it is, if I can find it. Hmm. 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 It's not real tight, is it? 15. I don't like it. Don't like it. It's a little more. No. Nah. Nope. Nope. This little low right here has just got to come in here and mess everything up, I swear. Could fail right there. Target on this. If this does fail, we top to bottom. Failure to here. That's enough to take out all of this, come back down into this wick. Let's go to the 1 hour. Grab rectangle. Grab this wick. Move this over. Oh man. Right there almost. Almost right at the midpoint of that 1 hour wick. I'm not going to. Oh man. I just closed my XRP trade. Cancel all these orders. Oh, you're not going to pop up my 10 wins in a row, bro? 10 wins in a row. Ah, there it goes. 10 wins. I wish it would show up 10 times. Cool. Cool. Looking good in the hood. So yeah, if that does fail, I would be looking for these lower prices to be met. Get everybody and their mom extremely bearish again. And then rip them to pieces to the upside. Because we're not done, baby. We're not done. We're not done. This thing is going to the moon, whether you like it or not. Probably not. We'll see. All right. The breakout could also be as long as that consolidation you just marked. What? What do you mean? Do you mean? I have no idea what he means. What do you mean by that, Dave? The breakout could be as long as that consolidation I just marked. This one? What do you mean? It could take that long? Come all the way down? What? Yuppers. Break down? Break out. Break out to the downside? Break out to the upside. Could take that long to get up here. Go sideways. I'm not entirely sure what you're getting at, but that's fine. Up. He says up. Breakout could be as long as that consolidation, meaning something like that. Yes. We could fail to fail. You know what I mean? Fail to fail. Fail to fail. We can fail to the upside like every American politician ever, or at least within the past 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. We can fail our way up. That's what we can do. Let's fail our way to the upside like politicians all around the world. They just fail, but they keep getting promoted somehow, some way. They just keep failing, keep getting promoted. Super cool. Super, super, super cool. And let's go ahead and draw this volume profile on this again. So yeah, we're still, I mean, look at that. We got a nice, perfect bounce off of that value area high. So yeah, this is gonna be a critical point here. Now, if we do come up here, maybe come up here, get above this trend here, and above this right here, this high right here, get some support, then we can probably continue this move to the upside, and this would just be a big V-shaped play, V-shaped recovery. All right, gang. Wife just got home. I'm going to hop off of here, spend some time with her and the kid, and next time, maybe some of y'all can come and join me next Sunday. But until then, I love you all. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your support. Hit that like on your way out. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Hit that notification bell to be notified for whenever I create new content when I go live. As always, I love each and every single one of you. I will see you in Discord. Go follow Alex Crypto. Link in the description down below. That's my guy. And then let's all go hang out in the Discord and share our trades and be profitable traders with each other. Love you all. A peace out. Ride the waves.